Good morning, students, again. So let us solve one more numerical from our first unit. So problem statement is, for a thermal power plant efficiency is 38%. The work done by the turbine is 1 kilojoule per kg, and the amount of heat supplied by the boiler is 2.2 kilojoule per kg. Find the work consumed by the pump and other equipments. So let us solve this numerical. We will start it by reading the problem statement. For a thermal power plant, efficiency is 38%. The work done by the turbine is 1 kilojoule per kg, and the amount of heat supplied by the boiler is 2.2 kilojoule per kg. Find the work consumed by the pump and the other equipments. So let us write down the given data first. Turbine work is given as Wt equals to 1 kilojoule per kg, which is nothing but 1 into 10 raised to 3 joules per kg. Then heat supplied is nothing but Hs is equals to 2.2 kilojoule per kg. So it will be equals to 2.2 into 10 raised to 3 joules per kg, and the last thing is given as efficiency as 38%. Okay, so let us solve this numerical. So what is given? Efficiency is given. Efficiency is nothing but the output upon input multiplied by 100. So efficiency is given as 38%, isn't it? Output, we call it as an W net, work of network, and heat supplied is nothing but the input multiplied by 100. So we know that W net is nothing but work of turbine minus work of pump. So 38 will be equals to work of turbine minus work of pump divided by heat supplied. and that heat supplied into 100. So 38 will be equals to WT, work of turbine, is nothing but the 10 raised to 3, isn't it, minus work of pump divided by heat supplied is 2.2 into 10 raised to 3 and multiplied by 100. So work of pump will be equals to 38 multiplied by 2.2 into 10 raised to 3. This 100 will be divided over here, isn't it, and this work of pump will come over here, or rather let us keep it as it is, 1 into 10 raised to 3. Okay, let us keep it as it is. So answer of this will be 38 into 2.2 into 1 exponential 3 divided by 100 is 836. So one into 10 raised to 3 minus work of pump is equals to 836. So work of pump will go on this side, it will become positive, and this 836 will be negative. So 1 into 10 raised to 3 minus 836, hence work of pump will be equals to 1 into exponential 3 minus answer 1 exponential 3 minus 836. So the answer will be 164. So the answer is 164 joule per kg. So this is what is the answer of work of an pump. I hope you might have understood this problem. So that's it for this particular lecture. Thank you so much. All the best.